Hello, let me introduce myself for those who do not know me. My name is Rachel. I lived in a Chevy Astro van, a 2000 Chevy Astro van for about 5 years. I traveled, and then recently I traveled in a 6x12 cargo trailer from Philadelphia to Key West, Florida, all the way to Alaska, Homer, Alaska. Traveled all around Alaska. You can check out those videos in my last videos. And then now I have a 2011 Town and Country minivan. So let me give you a tour. So this would be the outside of my van. It's just like a regular minivan. The name is Gator because the person I bought it from couldn't remove the license plate, so now we call it Gator. I have these rain things that I put on to stop the rain so I could get air too, also in the nighttime when I'm sleeping. So outside it pretty much looks like a normal minivan. I have a 100 volt solar panel here. On my roof I have a 100 volt solar panel mounted on right here. The wire comes in through this window that opens right here. I have a AC180 lithium battery, which is a BlUETTI battery. I also have a Jackery 500 that I charge with the solar panels. And I have a Jackery 240 that I charge with my solar panel. So 3 lithium batteries I have. I have 3 because I started out originally with the 240 in my Astro van. That was my first lithium battery I ever used. And then I upgraded to a 500 lithium battery. And then the BlUETTI AC180, I believe, is a 1500 lithium battery. So that powers like everything. I'm sorry, it's a 1800 watts BlUETTI. So right here I have my solar shades. They are blackout one side, and then on the other side is silver. So these will go in my van in the windows to keep the heat out, and then at nighttime I switch it to the blackout side. I have one for each window that's custom made because in my Astro van I made my own do-it-yourself shades, and it kind of fell apart. So this time I invested in actually physically getting good ones. So I have these, work amazing. And right now I'm not using them because I'm not driving anywhere right now, so I just put them on my bed for right now. So when I am driving I put them on my bed. At nighttime I put them up for when I'm sleeping. This would be my bed that I sleep on. It is a folding couch chair, so it folds up like right here if I open it, but it's just a regular folding couch. And then I have like a foam mattress right here that I put on it for extra comfort for my own likings. Under here I have a little bit of storage, but not too much storage. So I have my basket that I use for metal detecting, and also my metal detector is back there. It's that rod right there. And some wipes and a fan that fell behind. Right here I have a table that pulls out that I can use to cook on, eat with, or just for putting stuff on. In the front I really don't have much going on up front. I have zero in the, to make it seem like anybody's living in there. It just looks like a regular vehicle from up front. Nothing special in the door nooks, a straw, my little credit card holder, some Febreze, and a bag full of change. This opens up right here and it has all my charging cables in for all my lithium batteries and my cell phones and all my gadgets. This is storage right here. It opens up. It has my passport in it. It has other important information right here in it. A lighter, a bar of soap. Smells fantastic. Not delicious. I don't want to eat it. In here I have my wallet, my old IDs in there, car information, car registration. In here I have more storage. It has just a phone charger in it, and that's it. I really don't keep anything in there either. Over on this side I really don't have anything either. In here I have more change that I found metal detecting on the beach. In the back I have another basket that's filled with junk. I have no clue why I keep junk. I just like it, I guess. I have my clothes in a storage bin. And then I have another basket back there that holds my hats, mittens, scarves. And then I have this stool so I can clean my my solar panels on the roof. So back here I have my basket that is velcroed on that holds all my cooking stuff. I have my rice cooker here. I have my kettle. I have my little drinking jug, my blender, another little coffee mason jar, a coffee cup, some powder drink, Skittles, juice, a pot. My battery sits right here. Like I said, it is a 1,800 watt lithium battery by BlUETTI. In this one I have a 3-gallon jug water that functions right here for my sink. It's not really a sink, it's just to catch the water when I brush my teeth or need something to rinse off. When I'm done, that's velcroed on, and I just empty it out in the fresh water grass, the fresh water in the grass. Then I line it back up and it's good to go. It doesn't move or nothing when I drive, so it's good. Right here is my fridge. It's a Jackery. It's this right here. That's the name of my fridge. Has much of nothing in it. Some sodas right now I have in it, and some frozen ice drinks. Back here I have my beach chair or camping chair. I have my sunblock, spray, soap. This is the basket I was talking about. It has like all my cooking stuff in it. My sink, this is what I was talking about. Cleaning products, my toaster that I just leave in the box right here. I just put it back in the box when I'm done. This was my oven that I was talking about. Now all my appliances do run off of the BlUETTI that's in here. Right here is another 100 watt solar panel. Also under here, these boards right here, I don't know if you can see, they pull out. They have a hole right here and they pull out. I'm not gonna pull them out right here, but I have my shower system in here. It's like in there. You see the blue container? That is my shower system in there. So all under here is extra storage. Underneath the desk or countertop space is all storage, which I don't use very often. That's why it's there. Now if I flip this up right here, this flips up like right here, and this is my flooring. That was my metal detector I'm talking about. And this flips up right here, and I have all of the storage under there because they're stowaway seats. So I have all that storage. And then that just easily flips back down when you're not using it. Oh, you got something stuck under there. It's that fan that's stuck under there. Okay, that seems good. My sneakers, they usually stay right here. This is a phone charger for my phone that's plugged into the BlUETTI. I have more baskets right here holding stuff. My jacket, book bag, and my winter jacket is hung up on the hook right there. So that is a tour of my van. If you would like to know any more information about my van, please leave it in the comments below. Please give that thumbs up and like and subscribe. Thank you.